there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash a little more wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing, comparing two titans, the QIDI MAX3 and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max. Buckle up, because we're about to print some knowledge straight into your brain. Alright, let's start with the one thing we all love to hate, the price tag. On the left, we have the QIDI MAX3, coming in at a hefty $1,099. Perfect if you want to feel that sweet, sweet pain in your wallet. On the right, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is a bit kinder at $719. So if you want to save some dough for, I don't know, a lifetime supply of ramen, the Kobra 2 Max is your guy. Now, let's talk speed and size. The QIDI MAX3 boasts a max speed of 600 millimeters per second and a build volume of 325 by 325 by 315 millimeters. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers, but with a slightly smaller ego. Meanwhile, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max offers a max speed of 500 millimeters per second and a whopping build volume of 420 by 420 by 500 millimeters. It's basically the Godzilla of 3D printers, stomping around and printing buildings in its spare time. Reviewers appreciate the QIDI MAX3 for its speed, while the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is praised for its massive build volume. Next up, stability and build quality. The QIDI MAX3 is like the Fort Knox of 3D printers. Ultra-stable, all-metal frame, 6mm thick aluminum heatbed plate, and hardened steel linear shafts. It's built to last longer than your New Year's resolutions. The Kobra 2 Max, on the other hand, has a dual-motor, dual Z-axis motion structure, which is fancy talk for it won't wobble like a Jenga tower in an earthquake. Both are solid, but the QIDI might just outlast the apocalypse. Reviewers love the QIDI MAX3 for its robust build, while the Kobra 2 Max is noted for its stability. Now, let's see how versatile these bad boys are with materials. The QIDI MAX3 can handle everything from standard PLA to high-performance filaments like PA12CF and PETCF. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. The Kobra 2 Max also supports a variety of materials and has a direct extruder for smooth operation. It's like the MacGyver of 3D printers, always ready for a challenge. Reviewers commend the QIDI MAX3 for its material versatility, while the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is appreciated for its ease of use with different filaments. Moving on to the brainy stuff. Smart features. The QIDI MAX3 comes with open-source Clipper firmware and QIDI Slicer software for easy remote control. It's like having a personal 3D printing butler. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max steps it up with the Anycubic app, offering Bluetooth provisioning, firmware upgrades, and real-time video supervision. It's basically the Tony Stark of 3D printers, minus the snarky attitude. Reviewers find the QIDI MAX3's software easy to use, while the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max's app is praised for its advanced features. Last but not least, customer service. QIDI MAX3 offers a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical assistance. It's like having a 3D printing therapist on speed dial. Anycubic Kobra 2 Max also provides a 1-year warranty, with specific parts covered for shorter periods. Plus, they promise lifetime technical support, so if you ever feel like screaming into the void, they've got your back. Reviewers appreciate the QIDI MAX3's excellent customer service, while Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is lauded for its responsive support team. Overall, both the QIDI MAX3 and Anycubic Kobra 2 Max have garnered positive reviews. The QIDI MAX3 is praised for its build quality, material versatility, and excellent customer service. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is appreciated for its affordability, large build volume, and advanced smart features. So which one should you go for? If you're looking for a speed demon with a massive build volume and smart features, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is your best bet. But if you want a rock-solid, versatile machine that can handle high-performance materials, the QIDI MAX3 is calling your name. Either way, you can't go wrong. Thanks for tuning in, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. And as always, keep buying smart.